So, hey guys, we're back. We're going to have the chapter summary in chapter 9 titled Transport Layer. So, here with this one, we're going to discuss the transport layer protocols and TCP and UDP. Yeah, let's proceed already. So, here guys, I have notes for you. Here, this is the most important thing about transport layer. The transport layer until here. I'm gonna read it. Transport layer is responsible for establishing a temporary communication session between two applications that are delivering data between them. So if you can see here, guys, these two types of protocols is important on how they deliver a data. Here, if you deliver a data from your the same end user, you receive of course at the same output. Like from phone, you send a picture that is currently for phone only. You'll be viewing that for only for your phone. Next, of course, there are lots of responsibilities that the transport layer must have. Uh, Track individual conversations, segment data and resample segments, identify the applications. So tracking the conversations. So um, we'll have your example. So if you're having an conversation with your group mates or your, for example, your teacher, you can track or you can back read all the information or the conversation that you and your teacher are talking about. If you left or forgot something, you can go back with the message that you sent or your teacher sent. So segment data and resemble segments. So here data must be prepared to be sent across the manageable pieces. Most networks have a limitation on the amount of data that can be included in a single packet. So it mm, segment into a smaller or little chunks, and those chunks makes it easier for your information to be delivered. After that, it resembles and form the message that you sent originally, and identify using the application to pass. If you're using, for example, this application, it should be it should be the data that you sent will be the same as the application that you're using. For example, Messenger, you chatted someone, just for example, your professor. They say, "Good morning, sir." And then, of course, if you send it or you send it, the your professor will be receiving it inside or an application that is also a messenger or the application messenger. Messenger application as your medium or your application will be sent to your professor using the messenger application. So here guys, the transportation of data added should be a conversation multiplexing, segments of data to smaller chunks, table data chunks, and transport layer reliability. Two protocols provides TCP and UDP, while TCP supports reliability and UDP doesn't. Ah, yeah. Guys, TCP are the packet delivering confirmation. Why? Because each application process running on the server is configured to use a port number. either by default or manually by a system administrator. An individual server cannot have two services assigned to the same port number within the same transport layer. So yeah, here are the TCP connection establishment. Step one, initializing. Step two, server acknowledges the client to server communication session and request a server to client communication session. Step three, excuse me, the initiating client acknowledges the server to client communication sessions. Yeah, I just told a while ago the reliability of this two. Yeah. While in UDP, server process requests like TCP-based application, UDP-based server applications are assigned well-known or registered port numbers as shown in the figure. Here, as you can see. Here, when these applications or processors are running on a server, they accept the data matched with the assigned port number. When UTP receives a datagram destined for one of these ports, it forwards the application data to the appropriate application based on its port number. So yeah, that's it, guys, for our chapter 9 transport layer summary. Mhm. Thank you.